Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. This will show you how to deploy QuTScloud on HiCloud. Go to QNAP Download Center and download the QuTScloud O via image file. Go to the HiCloud portal and log in with your credentials. Go to the HiCloud S3 page and create image. Create the bucket and upload the image file download from QNAP Download Center. Go to the HiCloud CAS page and create VM. Select the image we uploaded to the HiCloud S3. Select the VM region in Spec. QuTScloud requires at least 2 GB of memory. Go to the storage page and create storage. Select the EBS size. QuTScloud requires at least 48 GB of storage, but we recommend 200 GB of storage. Go to the Network ACL page and create firewall. Edit the configuration. QuTScloud requires port 80, 443 and 8080. Go to the VM page and start up the VM we created. After the VM started up, you can access QuTScloud by using the IP address displayed on the VM page. Click the Start Smart Installation button to initialize QuTScloud. You can find the tutorial in the description. Please subscribe to our channel to get more information about QNAP products. Thank you for watching.